Next question. Which one of the following is the first step in the organized search? Options are A. Developing questions for further research. B. Synthesizing results. C is identifying the lacunae. Or D is organize the information. See, the first step in the organized search is option number D. That is organize the information will be the first step. Please remember the question and also the answer. Now see the information given in this chart. This chart speaks about the literature review and the organized search. Then there are certain steps involved in this process. The first one will be to organize the information. Second one will be synthesize the results. Third one will be to identify the lacunae. And the fourth step will be to develop the questions for further research. So these are the steps. So first is organize information, second is synthesize the results, third will be identify the lacunae, and fourth will be to develop the questions for further research. Next question. Which of the following is not a component while writing a literature review? Options are A. Including the quality studies relevant to the topic. B. Explaining each study using paraphrasing quotes, actually it is the quotes. Then next is including the studies which are irrelevant to the topic. Or D. Scholarly but brief critique of studies' strengths and weaknesses. So which is not a component while writing a literature review? Option number C is not a component. That is including studies which are irrelevant to the topic. See, because we want to include studies which are relevant to the topic. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. Please remember the question and also the answer and all the options also. Now see the information given in this chart pertaining to writing a literature review. All the students should be perfect with this chart, as I told previously also. Writing a literature review will consist of three parts. One is introduction, second is empirical literature, and third is the summary. Now you see the empirical literature part. In it, the first point itself, it is written like it should include the quality studies which are relevant to the topic. But from our options, they have mentioned the option like it should include the studies which are irrelevant to the topic. So therefore, we have taken this as a answer because the question was that which of the following is not a component. So including studies which are irrelevant to the topic is not a component, because the component will be it should include quality studies which are relevant to the topic. So similarly, you please go through all the other options, because each and every sentence has been asked as a question in the empirical literature, also in the summary part, and also in the introduction part we have seen previously in one of the questions. Next question. What is not a component in indexing? Options are A. Covering all the terms in the database. B. Common and frequent terms. C is uncommon and rare terms. Or D is using as delimiters. So in indexing, what is not a component? Option number C is not a component. That is, uncommon and rare terms are not a component in indexing. So please remember the question and also the answer. Now see the information given in this chart. Regarding the database structure and management, we have certain points pertaining to indexing. It says that it covers all the terms in the database. Second point is like common and frequent terms are covered, and it is used as delimiters. So all these three options, this has been given as an option, this has been given as an option, and this also has been given as an option. All these three statements have been given as an option over here, and over here. So therefore the option number C, that is uncommon and rare terms, is not a component in indexing. So please remember this question, the answer, and also this chart pertaining to indexing. Next question. HON website stands for, that is HON stands for what? Home network, hospital network, health on network, and or none of the above. HON stands for health on network. Okay, so option number C is the answer for this question. Next question. While drafting a scientific manuscript, the literature review is useful on the following section except. Options are A. Introduction, B. Methods, C. Repetitions, or D is discussions. C. Introduction will be there, methods will be there, repetitions are not there, and discussion will be there. In the IMRD structure inside in manuscript writing, if you see, you will have introduction, you will have methods, R will stand for results, okay, and D will be discussions. So simply they have changed the R from results to repetitions and given a question. So please remember this question and the answer in the manuscript writing. It will be IMRD structure.